Did you know over 90% of traders lose money in their first year? Shocking, right? But here's a secret. Mastering a few key concepts can turn the odds in your favor. Curious about what separates the winners from the wannabes? Let's get into it. Now, trading isn't about taking wild risks. It's about strategy and patience. One of the first things you have to grasp is risk management. Imagine walking through a casino with a plan instead of just hoping for luck, smirking. Trading is no different. Knowing when to pull out is just as crucial as knowing when to invest. But here's another nugget. Psychology plays a massive role. Ever wonder why some traders panic while others profit? It's all about mindset. Keeping your cool when markets get hot leads to smarter decisions. The key is emotional discipline. Think of it as your secret weapon. Now, let's talk about technical analysis. It's not as intimidating as it sounds. Patterns and charts become your best friends. Recognizing trends is like unlocking a coded message from the market, giving you the foresight to make informed moves. Fascinating, isn't it? Stay with me, and you'll learn how these core principles transform trading from a gamble into a skillful art. So, let's break down this thing called technical analysis. Imagine it as the language of the market. You're not just staring at charts, you're interpreting stories. Think of support and resistance levels like invisible walls and floors in these stories. They help you predict where prices might bounce or break through. Makes things less unpredictable, right? Now, if you're wondering why trends matter, here's the scoop. It's because they show you the overall market direction. Riding the trend is like surfing a wave. You wouldn't paddle against it, would you? You're harnessing momentum instead of struggling against it. And speaking of momentum, indicators like the moving average are like your trustworthy radar, smoothing out price data to highlight the trend more clearly. Let's shift gears to another vital piece, fundamental analysis. While technical patterns capture the what, fundamentals delve into the why. Why is a stock moving? News events, economic reports, even company earnings. It's connecting the dots between world events and market movements. Remember, real-world developments often spark market activity. Lastly, never underestimate the power of education. Continuous learning is like having a map in this trading jungle. Webinars, books, even communities of fellow traders can be gold mines for keeping your skills sharp and strategies updated. Keep feeding that curiosity, and trading success is just a matter of time. Now, let's delve into the art of crafting your own trading strategy. Think of it as your personal blueprint, guiding you through trades with confidence. Every great trader has one. It's not one size fits all. It's crafted from your goals, risk tolerance, and the time you can dedicate. Do you fancy quick trades a few times a day, or are you more of a long-term trend follower? Designing a strategy that aligns with your lifestyle makes trading sustainable and less stressful. And then, backtesting. Ever heard of it? It's a game changer. Before you jump into real trades, you should test your strategy against historical data. It's kind of like rehearsing for a big show. You get to see how your plan would have performed in the past without risking real money. This step can drastically boost your confidence when you finally go live. Another crucial aspect, keeping a trading journal. Documenting each trade, what worked, what didn't, and your emotional state can seem tedious, but it's invaluable. Over time, patterns emerge. You'll begin to understand your strengths and weaknesses, allowing you to fine-tune your approach continuously. Ultimately, trading isn't just about the markets, it's about self-awareness and discipline. By combining education, strategy, and introspection, you're not just learning to trade, you're learning to thrive. Ready to take the leap? Let's make every trade a step toward mastery. Let's circle back to something crucial: patience. The market is not a get-rich-quick scheme, despite what the flashy ads tell you. Successful trading is like cultivating a garden. You plant seeds, which are your well-studied trades, tend to them with care, and let time do its magic. Watching your portfolio grow patiently is often more rewarding than chasing after every shiny opportunity that comes along. Networking with other traders can also open doors to insights and strategies you might not find in books or tutorials. Imagine being part of a community where you can bounce ideas, share triumphs, or even vent a little. Trading can feel like a solitary adventure, but it doesn't have to be. Having a support system enriches your journey and expands your perspective. Now, let's talk about diversification. It's not just a fancy term, it's your shield against risk. Spreading your investments over different assets means you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If one sector takes a hit, others may be blooming. It's like having a balanced diet for your portfolio. You don't want to feast on just one ingredient. Lastly, let's hop into the world of setting realistic goals. Shooting for the stars with unrealistic expectations can lead to burnout and frustration. Instead, set achievable milestones. Celebrate those small victories. They're the stepping stones to your ultimate success. In trading, every smart decision is a win, paving the path towards expertise and consistent growth. Ready to conquer the markets with that mindset? Let's make it happen. All right, here's your rallying cry. Trading isn't this mystical arena of randomness. It's a realm where experience grows from each calculated decision you make. Master the key concepts: risk management, technical and fundamental analysis, crafted strategy, patient patience, and diversification. With these tools in your kit, success is not just possible, it's probable. Now, are you ready to put all this into action? Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for a steady stream of empowering tips and insights. Join our community, because learning together is how we all thrive. And share your first trading goal in the comments. Let's cheer each other on. Until next time, keep those charts close and your strategy closer. Let's grow those trades.